What's going on, everyone? It's Ivan, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing, one of the most accessible ways to start making money online. If you're completely new to this, don't worry, you're in the right place. This video is specifically designed for beginners, and I'm going to break down everything step by step. We'll be covering the best platforms, strategies, and tips to get you started on your affiliate marketing journey. Alright, let's kick things off with Amazon Associates, probably the most well-known affiliate program out there. It's a fantastic starting point for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of affiliate marketing. Think about it. You're already shopping on Amazon. Why not get paid for it? Imagine turning your everyday shopping habits into a source of income. It's like getting rewarded for doing something you already love. Signing up is super straightforward. Just head over to the Amazon Associates website and create your free account. The process is user-friendly and designed to get you up and running in no time. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your website or social media platform where you plan to promote products. This helps Amazon understand where their products will be featured. Don't worry if you don't have a massive following. You don't need millions of subscribers to be successful with this. Even a small, engaged audience can generate significant income if you approach it the right way. Now, let's talk about the commission structure. Understanding how you get paid is crucial to maximizing your earnings. Amazon's commission rates vary depending on the product category, but you can generally expect to earn anywhere from 1% to 10% of each sale you refer. Not bad, right? This means that the more high-ticket items you promote, the higher your potential earnings. The key here is to focus on promoting products you're genuinely passionate about and that you know your audience will love. Authenticity goes a long way in building trust and driving sales. Here's a pro tip. Instead of just dropping a plain affiliate link, create valuable content around the product. This could be in the form of detailed reviews, how-to guides, or even personal stories about how the product has benefited you. For example, if you're promoting a new tech gadget, make a video review. Show your audience the ins and outs of the product and highlight its unique features. Write a blog post comparing it to competitors. This helps your audience make an informed decision and positions you as a knowledgeable source. Or even share your experience using it on social media. Real-life usage scenarios can be very persuasive. The more value you provide, the more likely people are to click your link and make a purchase. It's all about creating a seamless and informative experience for your audience. Remember, building trust with your audience is crucial in affiliate marketing. Engage with them, answer their questions, and be honest about your experiences with the products. Don't just try to sell them something, focus on helping them make informed decisions. Your goal should be to become a trusted advisor rather than just a salesperson. Transparency is key. Always disclose that you may earn a commission if they purchase through your link. This not only builds trust, but also complies with legal requirements. Being upfront about your affiliate relationships shows integrity and can actually enhance your credibility. And there you have it. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a successful Amazon associate. Remember, consistency and authenticity are your best friends in this journey. Happy promoting! Next up, we have ClickBank, a platform that specializes in digital products like online courses, ebooks, and software. The beauty of digital products is that the commission rates are often much higher than physical products. Think about it. There's no inventory, no shipping costs. It's all digital. This means that the overhead costs are significantly lower, allowing for higher profit margins. You can find products offering commissions of 50% or even 75%. Talk about a great way to boost your earnings. Imagine earning a substantial income by promoting products that you are passionate about and that provide real value to your audience. Now, with so many products to choose from, finding a profitable niche is key. Think about your interests, your skills, or even problems you've faced that a digital product helped you solve. Once you've identified a niche, it's time to find products that are a good fit. Look for products with high gravity scores, which indicate they're selling well. But don't just rely on the gravity score alone. Check out the product's sales page, read reviews, and even consider purchasing the product yourself to see if it lives up to the hype. Remember, you're an extension of the product creator, so you want to make sure you're promoting something you believe in. Authenticity is crucial in building trust with your audience, and promoting products you genuinely believe in can make a significant difference in your success. ClickBank's payout system is pretty straightforward. You can choose to get paid weekly or bi-weekly, and they offer various payment methods like direct deposit and check. This flexibility ensures that you can manage your earnings in a way that suits your financial planning. Additionally, ClickBank provides detailed analytics and reporting tools to help you track your performance and optimize your strategies. By understanding which products are performing well and which marketing tactics are most effective, you can continually refine your approach to maximize your earnings. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting out, ClickBank offers a wealth of resources and support to help you succeed. From comprehensive training materials to a dedicated support team, you'll have everything you need to navigate the world of digital product promotion with confidence. So, if you're looking to dive into the world of digital products and affiliate marketing, ClickBank is your one-stop shop. With its vast array of products, generous commission rates, and user-friendly platform, it's never been easier to turn your passion into profit. Start exploring today and discover the endless possibilities that await you in the digital marketplace. Chapter 3. ShareASale. Diversify and conquer with a wide range of products. Finally, let's talk about ShareASale, a platform that offers a massive selection of products and services across various niches. From fashion and beauty to home goods and travel, ShareASale has something for everyone. Whether you're looking to promote high-end fashion brands, the latest beauty products, or even niche home goods, this platform has it all. One of the things I love about ShareASale is its user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to make your experience as smooth as possible. It's easy to navigate, find products, and track your earnings. The dashboard is intuitive, allowing you to monitor your performance and optimize your strategies. Signing up is free, and once you're approved, you can start browsing their extensive merchant directory. This directory is a treasure trove of opportunities, featuring thousands of merchants across various industries. Each merchant will have its own commission structure and payout terms, so be sure to review those carefully. Understanding these details can help you choose the best partnerships for your goals. One of the best things about ShareASale is the ability to connect with merchants directly. This direct line of communication can be invaluable. You can reach out to them to request product samples, negotiate higher commissions, or even collaborate on exclusive promotions for your audience. These interactions can lead to more personalized and lucrative partnerships. Building relationships with merchants can significantly impact your success as an affiliate marketer. Strong relationships can lead to better deals, exclusive offers, and a more rewarding experience overall. Remember, just like with any other platform, promoting products you're passionate about will make a world of difference. Your enthusiasm and genuine interest will resonate with your audience. When you genuinely believe in what you're promoting, it shows, and your audience will be more likely to trust your recommendations. Trust is the cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing, and ShareASale provides the tools and opportunities to build that trust effectively. There you have it, guys. A beginner's guide to the top affiliate marketing platforms. Remember, building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Focus on providing value, building trust, and choosing products that align with your audience's needs and interests.